You don't erase people's identities just because they don't fit into your assumptions. Hi guys, my name is Mariam Amarachi. I'm an Igbo Muslim, and before anyone tells you that Igbo Muslims do not exist or that they are foreigners who came to Igbo land and forgot where they came from, I want to tell you this: that Igbo Muslims have been existing for a very long time in Igbo land. They've been existing quietly. I was born a Muslim. My dad was born a Muslim. My grandfather was a Muslim, and yes, my great grandfather was a Muslim. So, the moment I say I'm Igbo, I'm a Muslim, immediately my identity changes to foreigner or any other tribe, because they claim that I can't be Igbo and a Muslim. But no one has ever questioned my Christian relatives. No one, because they are Christians, and they are evil. So it's normal. But me, there is their blood. We share the same blood. These are my relatives. They are still Igbo, but because I'm a Muslim, I'm no longer Igbo. My religion didn't change my tribe. I'm still Igbo. I understand my language. I speak my language. I know my roots. I know my culture. So why would you say I'm not Igbo because I'm a Muslim? This is not an argument. It's not an attack. It's just a reminder that you don't get to erase people's identities just because they don't fit into your assumption.